Hi all, welcome to the next section, Local Authentication in Linux. Here we will explore user authentication on a local system while maintaining security. Let's start with the video, User Authentication and Logging. One of the major aspects of user authentication is monitoring the users of the system. There are various ways to keep track of all the successful and failed login attempts made by a user in Linux. We will look at them now. The Linux system maintains a log of all login attempts by different accounts in the system. These logs are located at /var/log. Linux has many ways to help an administrator to view the logs, both through a graphical and command line method. If we want to check the incorrect login attempts for a particular user, such as root, we can do so by using this last broot command. To see the log using the terminal, we use the dmesg command. Sorry, I entered dmseg instead of dmesg. Let me rectify it. This command displays the buffer of Linux kernel's message stored in memory. If we wish to filter the above output to only show the log related to a USB device, we can do so by using this command. Instead of viewing all the logs, if we only wish to view the 10 most recent logs in a particular log file, for that we enter this command. Here, the -n option is used to specify the number of lines to be shown. If we wish to see the most recent login attempts for user accounts, use the tool Last. The Last tool displays the etc/log WTMP file in a formatted way. If we want to see the last time any user logged in on the system, we can use the last log command. Linux has different files for logging different types of detail. Using the commands, we are able to view those logs and see the details as per our requirements. Every command gives us different type details.